check this out.
Hi everyone, I'm Jorelyn, the team leader of our Arduino project, and I'm excited to introduce the team that made this possible. First, we have Christian, our programmer. He focused on writing the Arduino code to make sure all the parts and functions work properly. Next is Rizel, our analyst, who helped us understand what the project needed and guided us with the right planning and data. Then there's is Yesha and me were the designers of the group. We worked together to build the actual setup, connecting the components, arranging the parts, and making sure everything was working as planned.
Arduino project number 10, moving a servo. This project controls a servo motor to rotate at specific angles. The movement can be set manually or based on sensor input. It is commonly used in robotics, doors, and automated machines.
So let's discuss and enumerate the list of materials to be used in our Arduino project number 10. First is the Arduino board, the brain that controls the servo's movement. Prototyping shield, make it easy to connect components without soldering. Female to male jumper wires, wires to connect the servo to the board. And the last one, servo, moves to different angles based on the program. And that's all we need in our project number 10, so let's get to the exciting part.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're going to build a simple project called Arduino Moving a Servo, step by step. On the left side, you'll see the three materials we need. First is jumper wires F to M, micro servo, and the last one is Arduino board. And on the right side, we have our Arduino kit ready. Now, let's start assembling. First, we need to place the Arduino board securely on top of the kit. Then, take the micro servo out of the mini Ziploc plastic and set it aside. Get three male-to-male jumper wires and connect them to the micro servo pins. Then, connect the other ends of the jumper wires to the Arduino. The green wires go to digital pin 9. The orange wire goes to the pi B pin, and the black wire goes to the ground pin right next to the pi B. And that's it! We've just finished the hardware setup for our Arduino moving a servo. And now, it's ready for coding!
So this is the code for AP number 10. This add the servo library, which make it easy to control servo motor with Arduino. Creates a servo object named servo motor. This object gives access to function like dot attach and dot write function. For the setup function, servo motor dot attach 9 connects the servo object to digital pin 9. For the loop function, first for loop starts at 0 degree and goes up to 180 degree. Servo motor right angle tells the servo to move to the current angle. This makes the servo sweep forward from 0 to 180 degrees. And for the delay, gives the servo time to reach the new position smoothly. For the next for loop, move 180 to 0 degree. For in angle equals 180, angle is greater than to 0, angle minus minus. This second for loop starts at 180 degrees and goes back to 0 degree. Same logic, moves the servo step by step with a small delay. This this program makes a servo sweep continuously back and forth between 0 and 180 degree.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talk.